Hello, this is Mike from Easy Arms Keeper. Today, I'm going to walk through how to install and do your first initial setup with Easy Arms Keeper. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and open up a browser and go to easyarmskeeper.com. Now, you're going to see this big red bar, and right underneath it has a black link that says download. We're going to go ahead and click that. This will automatically start downloading the installer. We're just going to go ahead and open it and go through the steps. Okay. Now, before we can install Easy Arms Keeper, we have to install some prerequisites. Fortunately, this walks you through all of it. So we're just going to go ahead and click Next here. It's going to ask if you want to install Visual C++. The answer to that is yes, because it is required for this program to work. So we're going to go ahead and hit Next. It's going to ask for permission to install Visual C++. We're going to click Yes. It does a quick install. I have read. Install. And we're going to click Finish there. Alright, now we're into the Easy Arms Keeper installation process. It's going to ask you to make sure that you have 360 megabytes free in whatever hard drive that you're installing it to. It's going to ask you to read the license terms and conditions. We're going to go ahead and click I agree, and we're going to click Next. It's going to ask you your basic install questions, whether you want an icon in your desktop, start menu, quick launch. We're just going to go ahead and click Next. Now we're going to do a typical installation here. It's going to ask for permission. We're going to click Yes. Then it's going to extract and install. Okay, now that that's done, we're just going to go ahead and click Run. Okay, now that we have the program installed, if you're just trying it out, this is where you go ahead and do your setup for FFL and all of that stuff. But if you've went ahead and purchased the program, this is where you go ahead and enter your registration information. So we're going to go ahead and click Help. We're going to go to Activate Subscription. I'm going to go ahead and put in my name and information here. Okay. Now Easy Arms Keeper is installed and activated. And that wraps it up for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to email us.